You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this number? Well, if you're talking about the year, the date, which I guess it's probably what you're after, then you have to separate the two first numbers and the two last figures. In which case you say it as 1999. 1999. If it's just a number, you can also say it as 1999. 1999 or 1999. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.